Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you, I dyed my hair. Did you get a chance to check out the tutorial yet? If you did not, please go watch that, then come back and check out this Locstyle tutorial. I am loving it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a Locstyle with my fresh new color. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded individuals. This is the Locstyle that I want to do. Instead of the barrel twist, I'm just going to do regular twists, I think. Yeah, I don't really want to do barrel twists, but I'm going to do regular twists in the front. And then I'll just do two-strand twists in the back. The reason why I'm just doing a nice, simple style like that is because I really don't want to have too much tension on my hair right now. I just want something that's going to get me by for the next week or two. I'm going to show y'all what I was going to do. I was going to do something like this, but I'm going to save that for a different day. I have done numerous videos of me retwisting my locks. I'm really not going to do that in this video because y'all have seen it, and if you haven't, just go check my channel, check my locks tutorial playlist, and you'll find a good amount of tutorials on how I retwist my locks. And I'm just going to let you know the products that I'm using is the Napstar Super Hold Retwist Gel. And I'm also going to use my lock refresher to just basically hydrate my locks. And if you want to know what that contains, I do have a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create it yourself. So I'll make sure that I link that as well. We're moving and we're grooving with this retwist. Have y'all seen the movie Blink Twice? Okay. Let's talk about it. And if you haven't seen it, I advise you to skip this part of the video because I want to talk about it. What led me to watch that movie was because of everything that has been going on with you know, Diddy and just Hollywood in general. And I had came across this TikTok and they were saying how Blink Twice was in reference to Diddy's lifestyle. So I'm like, wait, what? Now, mind you, when this movie first came out, I had no interest to go see it. I honestly didn't even really know what it was about, but I just didn't feel led to like look into it to go see it or whatever. So I rented it on Amazon Prime because it's not showing in the theaters here anymore. And when I watched it, y'all, that's a good film. I think Zoe Kravitz is who directed it or produced it. But y'all, that's a good film. Like, it really made me think, what if his parties were allegedly on the lines of what they were showing in that movie? So if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it because it's really good. I give it an 8 out of 10. Oh, my hair is freshly retwisted. That probably took about an hour to do. So now, excuse Rello in the background. But now we're about to go ahead and get to the Locstyle. This is what we're doing. It's going to be two-strand twists in the back and then some flat twists in the front. Something cute, something simple, something that you'll be able to do yourself if you're feeling this Locstyle. Oh my gosh, y'all, so tell me why after I had finished coloring my hair, I came back in here to like call a couple people on FaceTime so they can see the reveal and everything. And when I looked at myself in the mirror, tell me why I saw a two-strand twist still in my hair from my previous Locstyle. What? Not only was it still in my hair, but that means that I colored my locks with the two-strand twist in my hair still. And so as a result, there's like a couple of locks that has blotches of brown in it because of that mishap. So yeah, just another day in the life of Octavia Darling. And just for context, we'll be doing 6 locks per twist. Dang, my face is oily. Oh my god. So we are done with the 2-strand twist in the back. Please don't ask me how many I have. I don't know. I literally have been doing my hair for majority of today because I did color it today as well. So at this point, I'm just like a little beat. I can't even lie to you. We are about to get into the front, which is where we're going to do some flat twists. We'll do 6, so 3 on each side. I really like doing flat twists. Fun fact, I used to do flat twists all of the time, even when I had a relaxer. That used to be one of my favorite styles to do. But I'm beginning to really like doing it with my locks as well. Can y'all see how it looks? Probably going to have to show y'all that at the end. But thinking, should I just twist it all the way back and then rubber band it, or should I rubber band it here and then twist it down? I don't know, we'll see what works. I just don't want it to like come undone up here if I don't secure it here. You know what I'm saying? But I also don't know if I'm fond into putting a rubber band here. So I don't know, we'll see. Key to doing flat twists is just feeding in each lock as you go. So you see how it looks here. When it comes to like my 2-strand twist, I'm like twisting each section of locks, twisting it down, almost like rope twists, if you know what I'm saying. And not just like twisting it all the way down. No, I'm like rope twisting it. Just a heads up. I'm gonna be doing a good amount of traveling this month, but I'm looking forward to it. And I am also vlogging this entire month. You know how I do my monthly vlogs now. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm just going to combine my birthday vlog and my monthly vlog all into one this year instead of doing like a separate birthday vlog. I'm finding as a content creator how important it is to stay authentic and true to yourself. Like, it's so easy to lose sight of what you're doing if you're just so stuck on posting whatever type of content your viewers or followers want to see. Like, I definitely had reached a point like that in my journey, and it was pretty sad because I felt like I didn't have the creative freedom to post what I wanted to post on my channel on YouTube. I'm just being honest with you. Like, I felt kind of restricted based on like the analytics and what type of videos was doing the best. But like, honestly, I'm just at a point now where I'm finding my way back. I ultimately love filming. Like, that's why I started YouTube. I love to film, I love to edit, and YouTube is just that platform for that. Like, I like to showcase my talent in that aspect. Yes, I create lock tutorials and vlogs and stuff like that, but that's just like a piece of the puzzle, if that makes sense. Like, I really do invest time and interest into the filming and the editing of each of my videos. So I'm just getting back to doing what I love. And I'm sharing that to say today, like, this is my second video that I filmed today. I haven't filmed I don't think I've ever filmed 2 YouTube videos in one day for as long as I've had this channel. And it's been so refreshing because I've just been having fun with it. Oh, we are done. Oh, let me put my earrings on because I feel like that completes the look. All right, this is how it came out. This is so cute. I love it. What y'all think? Y'all feeling it? Hold on. This is so cute. Are y'all feeling this Locstyle or what? This is how the top looks. So ever since I started using the Napstar Super Hold Gel, baby, my edge has been laid. My retwist been laid. Like, I absolutely love it. That little fuzz always pops up right there. But I don't go crazy on my baby hairs. I just like lay my edges down, if that makes sense. Like, that's just my focus. If y'all feeling the hair color and the lock style, comment down below. Drop some red heart emojis in the comment section if you're feeling this look. Drop some fire emojis if you will do this lock style. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, join this community of like-minded individuals, and comment down below what was your favorite part of this video as well. I will check y'all in the next video. I hope y'all have an amazing week ahead and talk with y'all soon. Bye.